Yeah.
Okay, go.
Sister here.
It's my little sister. Sorry, we just came back from the beach. Hi. Lita, she's gonna sit on your lap.
Why? Because look, I'm squished over here.
So, Zoe, if there is bad lighting,
I tried to put my shoes, but the only issue is I started putting these shoes on.
okay, guys. Sorry if there's bad lighting, but we just came from the beach.
Now we're leaving finally.
See the other one. Oh, it's a Snapchat. She was doing a Snapchat.
Hi, Ruby.
But guys, this will be it for this video. A little
Hi,
update.
Ruby. Ow.
You see my face a little.
Subscribe.
Give it the outro. Oh, what'd you just say? What?
Thumbs up.
Say it.
Show me story.
Subscribe.
Alright, guys, look at the story. Stop. Bella, stop. No copyright.
You my phone.
That's when we went bowling.
Yeah, I never said yesterday.
You guys are in the mood. Hiking. Yep, that's us at the beach. See my other 2 videos I uploaded. Thank you guys. And what is your name?
Oh, Drake! Can you try my phone?
Guys, give it a shout out, Christian Antonio. What else I forgot? Peace, subscribe, share, and like, and comment. Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Woohoo! Guys,
It's not like taking a picture with Anthony.
Chody, it won't stop recording. Peace, subscribe.
She gonna stand the whole time since she likes.
Dude,
Being
why
with the secret.
won't this
Kitty,
video
my thighs are
end?
not that, Lita. Babe.
Yeah.
But is he fit?
Guys, I can't end this.